All right, so this is week 14. Now I'm explaining this a little bit more because these problems are a little bit different. The directions are not there, but you're still solving for x. So this problem is a little bit longer. What you're going to do is you're going to do the parentheses first, and with parentheses is the distributive property. So 4 times x is 4x plus 8. This does not have the parentheses, so we just bring it all back down the same. Next thing you're going to do is notice that this is very long. You're going to combine your like terms. So what terms combine? 4x and negative 3x. A 4x and a negative 3x will give you a positive x. Positive 8 and positive 10 will give you a positive 18 equals to 10. And then from here, you guys are great at solving. Just solve it regularly. Minus 18 minus 18, x equals 10 minus 18 is 8. And there's your answer. First one done. Nice. Okay, so for this next one, same as this. Actually, looks like the very same problem. So go ahead and distribute that 4 to both of those. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 2 is a positive 8. Negative 5x plus 20, that doesn't have the parentheses, so we're just going to write that down. Negative 5x plus 20 equals 20. Combine your like terms. And in this case, just always make sure you take your sign in front of your number. So we have a 4x and a negative 5x. 4x and a negative 5x combines to give you negative x. Positive 8 and positive 20 combine to give you positive 28. Bring down the equal sign. Now it turns into a one-step equation, which you guys are really great at. So subtract 28. Bring down your negative x. Eliminated. 20 minus 28 is a negative 8. Negative x equals negative 8. You're almost done. You just have to divide through by that negative 1. So divide through by negative 1. So positive x equals positive 8. All right, so I've already started this one. And again, you're going to do the same thing. 6 times x. Oh, and the answer to this one was x equals 8. So it's off the screen. Okay, so 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 3 is 18. And then bring everything else down. So minus 7x plus 4 equals 30. Combine your like terms. 6x and negative 7x combine to give you negative x. 18 and 4, 22. And then just do your math. Negative x cancels equals 30 minus 22, positive 8. Oh, look, these are all have the same. Okay, next one. Okay, so be careful. This is a negative x. So negative x is equal to 8 divided by negative 1. So x is actually equal to negative 8. Okay, so make sure you have that correct. And you can always plug your answer in to check it and make sure. Next one, go ahead and distribute. Is that people forget to distribute the 8 to both of those. So make sure 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, make sure it goes to both of those. Bring this down, minus 9x minus 18 equals 40. Combine your like terms. 8x minus 9x. So we have a negative x, 8, and negative 18 combine to give you a negative 10. Add 10 to both sides. And again, you want to be careful with those negatives. So negative x equals a positive 50. Divide through by negative 1. And again, you can divide through by negative 1 or multiply through by negative 1. Negative x divided by negative 1 makes it a positive x. 50 divided by negative 1 makes it a negative 50. All right, There we go.